Hi viewers, now we discuss the topic exercise 1.3 third section first one. Prove that 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Here numerator 1 is rational, denominator root 2 as irrational number. As in a fraction rational by irrational number, we know that it is a irrational number only. For this one solution we prove as in indirect method proof. For that one purpose by using contradiction method. Let us assume 1 by root 2 clearly it is irrational number, but we choose here assumption 1 by root 2 is a rational number. That is 1 by root 2 equals to a by b, comma, where a comma b is not equals to 0 and a comma b belongs to integers. Apply reciprocal on both sides. What is the meaning of here reciprocal? As in a fraction, numerator by denominator, convert numerator to denominator and denominator convert to numerator. That is 1 by root 2 can be expressed reciprocal means root 2 conversion as into the numerator and 1 conversion to denominator. Same as it is b conversion to numerator, a conversion to denominator. So number by 1 equals to number. That means root 2 by 1 can be written as root 2, b by a write it as usual. Since a comma b are the integers, like it is in the form of b by a, that is nothing but as p by q form, we call that one as rational number. So therefore root 2 is an irrational number and b by a is a rational number. We know that irrational number is not equals to rational number. Clearly from 1 rational number equals to irrational number we get it. So this is contradiction to our assumption. So 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Clearly, hence proved. I hope to understand this solution. Thank you for selecting my video.